Hello Internet, I'm here with a super quick project using the new neural filters in Photoshop. If you haven't tried them, this is the style transfer photo, which allows you to bring in your own images or use some of Photoshop's selection to create these really fun compositions. So here I've brought in this cute little mushroom watercolor that I got from Creative Fabrica. I'll throw a link to this particular photo in the description. And we've got just a stock photograph of an elephant. So let's see what this filter does. Already we have an instantly more interesting, more dynamic, and colorful piece of art. So this could be a great, easy way to get illustrations if you're trying to put together, say, a children's book for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. I am going to up the strength here, play with the settings. You know, sometimes you do just have to mold these to whatever photo you're working on. And then after I've got the strength to a point that I'm happy, I am going to revert it back to the original colors by ticking off this little box that says preserve color. So right away, if I was doing, say, an African safari book or a fact book about elephants, instantly fun, done illustrations from stock photos you can find with commercial licenses very easily online. So here's our beginning, and here's our finished product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all those other YouTube things if you want to see more content like this.